Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, good morning to everybody. In our last class, we saw the common and the general formula for LIT.
Sir, start ayinda sir, start kaleda like.
Good morning to all of
We
you.
already discussed it. In our last class, this is the general form of LIT. A plus B, A plus B is 1. Where A is the first term, D is called as the common difference. D is called as the common difference. We already discussed that it is the general form of an AP. A plus B, A plus 2B, so on. The nth is called as AN or AN. Say AN. That is equal to A plus n minus 1 into B. A plus n minus 1 into B. This is the general form of the AP. The general form of NAP. Using this principle, now in this class we are going to find the required term, what we have to find, or other kind of applications using this formula also. Okay, let me see. Let's suppose A1, A2, A3 will generally indicate as these are the terms of NAP. A1, A2, A3, dash. The end term will be AN. The end term will be indicated with AN. Every time we confirm A is equal to A1. A is equal to A1. That means the first of the AT is always indicated with A1. The first term of the AT indicated with A1. Whereas if you writing in the common compound, you will write it as A plus B, A plus 2B, so on. The nth term is written as A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, clear. Now, in this class, what we are going to discuss, that we have to find the required term. Suppose here is one AP is there, 2, 4, 6, there. Up to 20 is there. That means in this AP, first of all, if you observe this one, that A1 is equal to 2. That means the first term is 2. And the common difference D is equal to 4 minus 2, or that is also 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Now, here it is an AP. Now, in this AP, we can able to find the total number of terms which are involved in this AP. That means after that 6, 8, 10, so on up to, we can able to count the number of terms. So, in an AP, if you can able to count the number of terms, that is called countable or finite. Finite AP, finite arithmetic progression, because we can able to say how many number of terms in the total AP. Suppose I will give one more example, 5, 10, 15, so on. Up to that is 1000 or 10,000, it may be, whatever it may be. We can able to say how many number of total terms in the AP. That's why if you can say how many terms are there in an AP, that is called a finite AP. That's called a finite AP. Whereas if I write, suppose set of even numbers is there, we already indicated that is 2, 4, 6, dash. Can we say where is the end for the even numbers? No, there is no ending for even numbers. No ending for natural numbers. No ending for prime numbers. Whatever it may be. So in this term, in this case, the number of terms in this AP are not countable. That is infinite. That is infinite. Because in the total AP, this is the formula, this is involved in the form of AP. But even though that the number of terms in this AP are not finite, that is not able to count. That's why it is infinite. That's right, infinite. That's why it is called as infinite AP. So we have to remember there are two types of APs. One is finite AP, the other one is infinite AP. Okay, no problem. Already discussed. A is equal to first term of AP, A1 is always denoted with A. Okay. Sir, any problem? Sir? So A is equal to A1. Now Tn, sorry An or An is equal A plus n minus 1 into D. We discussed this is a general form of AP and a general term of AP. What is An? That is nth term of an AP is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we are now in this class we are going to discuss what we are going to find the required term. 2, 4. Now they are finding the 20th term of a. Find the 20th term of a. That's what we have to find. We have to find the 20th term of a. So taking the A or A1 which is equal to 2. The place the first term of the is equal to 2. Next one we have to find the common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 or is equal to A1. The difference between two constitutive terms of an A
start అయిందంటే బ్యాంక్ లోనే వేరే సెల్ తెచ్చుకోండి అని
So D is equal A2 minus A1. A1 minus 2. We have to find the total of the A. We have to find the total A to B is equal to A. Why? Because this is the number of terms we have to find is D. That's why into D. Okay, that is equal. What is A here? A is equal to 20 is 90 into D. What is the other B? That is equal to 2. So that is 2 plus 38. That is equal to 40. So 40 is the 20th term of this AP. So like that we are able to find the required term in the given AP. So like this one, 10, 7, 4, that is AP. Now what the question is, find the 30th term of AP. What is the find? In this AP, we have to find the 30th term. We have to find the 30th term. Okay, now consider the first one. A is equal to A1. What we discussed the first term between A and A1. That is equal to A, but because of the common principle, A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. So A is equal to A1. The first term. What is it? 10. Next, D is equal to T2 minus, sorry, A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. So second term minus first term. That is equal to 7 minus 7, which is equal to minus 3. That means you have to remember that in an AP, someday the common difference may be in negative terms also. And in positive terms, in some case of AP, the common difference may be in negative terms also. So we find the three values. Now what we have to find? We have to find the 30th term. So T30. Sorry, A30 is equal to, so A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A? You have already discussed A is first term, that is 10 plus n. What is the term you have to find? The 30th term. So 30 minus 1 into b. We already find the value b as minus 3. This is as minus 3. So that is equal 10 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into minus 3. Okay, that is 10. So plus into minus minus. Okay, this is 87. So given is the 87. That is equal to minus 77. So in this case, A is equal to minus 77. A is equal to minus 37. Okay. One more question I got. A is equal to and A1 is equal to A3 is equal to 26. A1 is equal to and A3 is equal to 26. Find A2. Find A2. What is the question asked? That is, in this case, A1 is given, A3 is given. What we have to find? We have to find A2. Okay, first of all, A1 is equal to, we already indicated A is equal to. A1 is equal, A is equal to, no problem. Next one, this is A3. A3 is equal, general form, AN is equal, A plus N minus 1 into D. So in this case, that is A3 is equal A plus 3 minus 1 into D. That is equal A plus 2D. This is A3. But we already have the value of what we have A3 is with us and also A1 is also with us. Okay, both of the values are with us. So that's why what I am substituting 26 is equal A. The first term which is A1 is equal to plus 2D. Getting this 2 into the other side, 26 minus 2, that is equal to D. That means 2D is equal to 24. 2D is equal to 24. So D is equal to 24 by 2, which is equal to 12. Is equal to 12. Now what we have to find? We have to find in this case, he is asked to find A2. So A2 is equal to A plus B. A2 is equal to A plus B. That we already have the value of A with us, that is equal to 2 plus B. We already find the value of B, that is 12. So that is equal to 14. So A2 is equal to 14. Okay, clear? First of all, it was given A1 and A3. So we write the general form. In that we have taken the form A3. So in that one, we substitute the value of the first term A1, and by substituting the value, we got the value of D. So by substituting D value A plus D, that is A2. So like that, we can be able to find the term we require. Like one more model is Muchiterm the AB, Muchiterm of the AB, 3, 8, 13, so on, is 78. This is one more question, one more type of question. Which term of the AB, 3, 8, 13, so on, is 78? That means it was given that term, and now we have the first term and we know the common difference. Now what we have to find is, we have to find AN, that is N value. That means we have AN, that is N term with us, and the value of A with us, and we know the D value. Now we have to find this term number. We have to find the term number. So come on, A is equal to 3. It's common. The first term is indicated with A. So A is equal to 3, no problem. Next, I will choose A1. We will say as the first term. D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2 here? 8 is A2. Okay, this is A1. So D is equal 8 minus 3. That is equal to 5. That is equal to 5. Now, with that we have already had D value and A value. And we know the nth term, that is AN, we know. AN, what is the value of AN? AN is equal to 78. So, in general form, AN is equal A plus N minus 1 into D. But already we have AN value, which is equal to 78. Which is equal to AN is equal to 78. AN is equal to 78 meters. So, that's why A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 78. Simply I have taken this A into the other side. Nothing. So A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 78. Now we know the value of A and also the value of D. So substitute the value of A. A is equal to 3 plus N minus 1 into D. We have already find the value of D, that is 5 is equal to 78. Okay. Now take this first thing to the other side, that will be minus. So N minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78 minus 3. So 5 into N, 5N minus 1 into 5, 5 is equal 78 minus 3 is equal to 75. Now taking this minus 5 to the other side, so 5N is equal 75 plus 5. Okay, so 5N is equal to 18. 5N is equal to 18. So N is equal 18 by 5. 5 1 5 16 down. So N is equal to 16. That means the 16th term of the given AP is equal to the 16th term of the given AP is equal to 78. Like that, we can able to find the problems given in the other model also. Clear? This is one more model is there. What's that? Check whether minus 150 is a term of minus 150 is a term of 11 comma 8 comma 5 comma 2 comma so on. What we have to check is here it is an 80 given 80. What it was asked to check is minus 150 will also a term in the given IP or not? What that we have to find. Okay, clear? We have to find is minus 150 also is one of the term in this AP or not? That we have to find. Why? Because it is minus term, that D, the common difference value is in negative. That's why we get the negative term. Okay, no problem. Whether 150 minus 150 is the term of this AP or not? That we have to find. So first given, what given A1 is equal to A is equal to 11. No problem. The first term. Okay. D is equal A2 minus A1. D is equal to A2 minus A1, second term minus first term. So D is equal, what is A2? 8 minus 11. That D is equal to minus 3. D is equal to minus 3. Now we have the first term value with us and also the D value, common difference value with us. Now we have to check whether minus 150 is a term in this series or not, in this progression or not. That we have to check. Then what I suppose that minus 150 is the nth term of given AP. నేను ఏమనుకుంటున్నాను ఈ మైనస్ 150 అనేది nth term లో ఉంటుంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. And supposing that minus 150 is the nth term of AP అనుకుంటున్నాను. Right, we write AN is equal to have a formula A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is the nth term. That That means AN is equal. What is AN is equal? Therefore, AN is equal minus 150. AN is equal minus 150. Now substitute the value here. Minus 150 is equal. What's the value of A? A is equal to A1 is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into 3. What is the value of 3? We had as minus 3. We had as minus 3 is the value. Okay. Now plus this 11 comes to this side. That is minus 150 minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. N minus 1 into minus 3. Okay. So 150, 11. That is both are minus symbols. That's right. We have two numbers. Okay. What we will get that is, I'm taking this into that side. N minus 1 into I'm writing this is in the left side and this is in the right side. Nothing doing. Minus 3 is equal minus 150 minus 11. That is minus 161. Both are the negative symbols. Minus 161. So take this minus 1 3 to the other side. N minus 1 is equal minus 161 by minus 3. So this minus symbol will be get cancelled. 3 ones are 3. 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. 1 is the remainder. Then 1 plus 1 that is 11. So 11 is not divisible by 3. 11 is not divisible by 3. So that means it is in a negative number. Sorry, it is in fraction number. It is in fraction number. That means n minus 1 is not a whole number. Understand? Yes. Simply, if you confuse anything, just I'm doing 161, 3 5s are 15, 1, 3 3s are 9, 2 decimal 0, 3 6 are. That means it is 53.3. But we already discussed that in the first term, second term, or third term, whatever it may be. But the number of the term may not be in a decimal number. The term number, that is not the term we are finding, that is the term number. So n minus 1 not a whole number. That's why what we will conclude, minus 150 is not a term of given AP. Here, what we are supposed, first of all, we have taken the A value. After that, we have to find the D value. Then we suppose this is as the nth term. This is as the nth term. Now, substituting in this one, we got the n value as an integer. That is not a whole number. So n is not a whole number. That's why the number of the term may not be an integer, a fraction. That's why 150 is not a term of the given AB. This type of also we can do. Right. Find 30% term of AP. First term of AP. What it was given? 11th term is given as 38, and after that 16th term is given as 73. What it was given in this AP, the 11th term is given, and also the 16th term is given. 16th term is given as 73. Both the 11th and the 16th terms are given as 11th term is 38, and also 16th term is 73. Now what we have to find? We have to find the 31st term. For finding any number of term, an is equal. What is the principle? A plus n minus 1 into d. So to find whatever the term we need, we have first of all we have to find the value of A. After that, we have to find the value of B. This is the primary condition. When we have these two values only, then we can able to find the required term. Okay. But in this case, they are not given the value of A is not A and also B is not A. So what it has given? 11th term is given as 38 and also 16th term is given as 73. So general term, the principle for the general term A is equal A plus n minus 1 into B. No problem about that. This is the 11th term. Okay, this is the 11th term. So A11 is equal A plus 10D. A plus 10D. Okay, no need to write again and again the same principle. N minus 1, 11 minus 1, that is 10, 10 into D. 10D. So A plus 10D. What is this? A11. But what was given? A11 is given as 38. A11 is given as 38. So A plus 10D is equal 38. Say this is equation number 1. Say this is equation number 1. Okay. The second condition, what was given? 16th term is given. So A16 is equal A plus 15D. A plus 15D. A minus 1 into D. 16 minus 1, 15. 15 into D, 15D. Okay, A plus 15. But what it was given? 16th term is 73. That means A plus 15D is equal 73. This is the equation number 2. Okay, from the given conditions, now I write two type of equations. One is 11th term is given. So 11th term is equal to A plus 10D. But A plus 10D is given as 38. And the second one is 16th term is given. So 16th term is A plus 15D. That is equal to 73. Solve these two equations. You know, you learn about the solving of the two equations of two variables in 8th class itself. Okay, and making minus, minus, minus. Okay, symbols will be changed. A get cancelled. 10D minus 5, 15D is equal to minus 5D. 10D minus 15D is equal to minus 5D. Now, 38 minus 73. 73 goes to 38 is reverse. So that is what it is value? 35. Which is 35? That is minus 35. So this minus symbol will be cancelled. So D is equal 35 by 5. 5 ones are 5 7. So that implies that means D is equal to 7. So D is equal to 7. We know now the value of D. Now what I am doing? I am substituting the D value in any one equation. Any one equation, whatever it is, in equation number 1 or 2, whatever it may be. So A plus 10D is equal to given as 38. A plus 10D is given as 38. Now substitute the value D as 7. So A plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38. So 7 into 10, 70. Get that 70 to the other side. A is equal 38 minus 70. That is equal minus 32. Minus 32. Now we find the value of A, that is A1, that is a first term, A with us, and also D with us. Both of the values now we find from the given conditions. Now what it was asked is 16th term. Okay, 11th term is find the 31st term. We have to find the 31st term. So A35 is equal A38. Sorry, 31st term. A31 is equal. What is the principle? A plus 30D. A plus 30D. Right. A. What is the value of A? We got it. Minus 32 is the value. 30 into D. What is the value of D? 7 is D. So minus 32 plus 7 3s are 210. Okay, that is equal. So 0 minus 2 is 8. Okay. That is 10 minus 2 is 8. Let's say 10 minus 3 is 7. And this is 1. That is A31 is equal to 178. Okay. Please check this model. Important one. Given is given when 11th term is given, 16th term was given. Now by the given conditions we wrote two equations of with two variables, and after that by solving those two equations we got the value of A and as well as the B. After finding of A and B, no problem with this. After finding A and B, just simply writing A31 is equal to A plus 30D. So we substitute in the both of the values in the A and that we got A31 is equal to 178. No problem. This is one more model. The sum of 4th and the sum of 4th and 8th term is sum of the 4th and 8th term is 24. It is in 80. None other. In 80, the sum of 4th and 8th term is 24. So what is the sum of 6th and 10th term? 6th and 10th term is equal to 44. Okay, given the sum of 4th and 8th term in 80 is 24 and 6th and 10th term is 44. Now what it was asked to find? It was asked to find first three terms of 80. First three terms. First three terms of 80. To find any term, first what we have to do? We have to find the A value and B value. But it was not clear in the form. Both of the values are not with us. So the sum of 4th and 8th term is given as 54 and sum of 6th and 10th term is given as 44. Okay, no problem. So both of them means A4 is equal to A plus 3D. Okay, both of them means A4, that is A plus 3D. And what is the first one? A8 is equal, what is that? 24, that is A plus 17. But A plus 3D is equal to how much? A plus 3D, sorry. But both of the sum of these, but A4 plus A8 is given as, okay, 4th term we wrote and 8th term we wrote already. The sum of 4th and 8th term, that is A4 plus A8 is 24. Okay, write A4, what is A4? A plus 8th term, A plus 70 is equal to given as 24. 2A plus 70 plus 3D, 10D is equal to 24. Okay, by cancelling with 2, A plus 5D is equal to 12. Right, this is okay, what I do? A4 is given, A is given, A4 plus A is equal to 24. So A plus 3D plus A plus 70 is equal to 24. So 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. A plus 5D is equal to 12. The second condition is 6th and 8th term. So A6 is equal to A plus 5D, you know. And the 10th term, A10 is equal to A plus 90. Like that, these two terms also. So A6 plus A10 is given as, how much it was given as? 44. It was given as 44. A6 plus A10 is given as 44. Okay, take this one. A plus 5B plus, this is A6 means A10, A plus 9B is equal to 44. So A plus A, 2A plus 5D plus 9D, 14D is equal to 44. So again, we will equal to 2. A plus 7D is equal to 22. Right? This is number 2. Equation 2. Okay, again, solving the equations of two variables. First condition is A plus 5D is equal to 12. The second condition is A plus 7D is equal to 22. I will here. A plus 5D is equal. A plus 5D is equal to 12. Next, A plus 7D is equal 1 more, that is 22. So minus. So here get cancelled. 5D minus 7D is minus 2D. That is equal 12 minus 22 is minus 10. So both sides are minus will get cancelled. D is equal to 10 by 2. That is equal to 5. This is equal to 5. To find the value of D. Now take any one equation. A plus 5D is equal to 12. Second, I am taking the same equation, nothing. I am taking the same equation. A plus 5D is equal to 12. Now write the value of D. What is the value of D? 5 is there. So A plus 5 into 5 is equal to 12. 5 is 25. Get that 25 to the other side. A is equal to 12 minus 25. So A is equal to minus 30. A is equal to minus 30. So from the given conditions, now what we find the value of A and the value of B. Both the values are with us now. What it was asked to find the first three terms. Find the first three terms. So how to complete it? A1 is equal to here. A1 is equal to A is equal to what is the D minus 30. A2 is equal to A plus D. That is minus 13 plus D value that is 5. That is equal to minus 8. That is equal to minus 8. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. That is equal to minus 13 plus 10. That is minus 3. That means the first three terms of the data is minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3. Okay, clear? From the given conditions, first by applying the given conditions, we do two variable equations in two variables with two equations. After that, by solving those two equations, we find value of A as well as value of B. By substituting the given both of the A and B in the given formula, that is general formulas of the terms, we got the first term what we asked. This is a different model. How many three-digit numbers? How many three-digit? How many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Okay, don't confuse. By seeing that problem, there is no A is there, no D is there, nothing is there. But don't explain. Just think cool and calm. How many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7? That is the question. First of all, where the three-digit number will start? And will be the first three-digit number. Okay. Then the last three-digit number 999 is the last three number. Okay, we had already nothing is given in the problem, but taking without hesitating, the first three-digit number 100 and the first three-digit number we have is 999. Okay, now but all we know not to count all the three-digit number. What is the condition? Divisible by 7 only. Divisible by 7 only. You know, 14 sevens are 98, 15 sevens are 105. That means the first three-digit number divisible with 7 is 105. Understand? 14 sevens are 98, 15 sevens are 105. That means the first three-digit number is divisible by 7 is 112. That means by applying this condition, we already know the first term we already know. And after that, 999 is there. Dividing 999 with 7. 7 1s are 7. 2. 7 4s are 28. 1. 9. Okay. 7 2s are 14. 5 the remainder. That means the last 3-digit number is 5 less than 999. The last 3-digit number is the remainder is 5. That means the last 3-digit number is 5 lesser than the 999. So that means the last 3-digit number is equal to 999 minus 5. That is a 994. That means by thinking we find the first term also here and also the last term is also here. And the term is with the okay, write in that one. First of all, what is the result? The first 3-digit number is divisible by 7 is 105. Okay, the first 3-digit number divisible by 7 is 105. Okay, the last 3-digit number divisible by 7 is, alright, we discussed. What is the last 3-digit number? That is 5 less than this one. That means 994. Last 3-digit number is 900 because 999 is the last 3-digit number, biggest 3-digit number. From this one, 5 is the remainder. 5 is the remainder. That means I am subtracting 5 from this one. Okay, 994. Now that means A is with me. A is equal to the first number, 105. I have with me AN. AN is equal to 994. And if you think a little bit of logic, these are all the multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, so on. That means the common difference is also 8. What is the common difference? 7 is the common difference. 7 is the common difference. So D is equal to 7. D is equal to 7. Okay. Nothing is given in the problem. But when we think with a logic that we can able to find the first term, we can able to find the last term or nth term, and we have the D. Now what we have to find? We have to find the n value, which number, that 994 is which term. So okay, that is n is equal to A, n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. We have the A, 994 is equal to A. What is A? 105 plus n minus 1 into D. What is D? 7 is D. Get this 105 into that side. 994 minus 105 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. Okay. Don't confuse. Otherwise, if you may confuse, write this one into that side and that one to this side. n minus 1 into 7 is equal plus 1. Now get to the other side. 994 minus 105. Okay, that is 14 minus 1 is 9. 8 minus 0 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. That is n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 889. 10 minus 1 into 7 is equal to 889. So n minus 1 is equal, get this into multiplication of 7 into that side. 889 by 7. 7 ones are. 1 is the remainder. 7 twos are. Okay. 7 ones are 7. Okay, 1 is the remainder. 7 twos are 7 sevens are. So n minus 1 is equal to 127. So get minus 1 to that side. N is equal to 127 plus 1. That is equal to 128. That means the term that what we find the last term is 128 term. That means they are there are 128 terms between these two. The 130, 128, 7 multiples between the given two terms. Okay. The how many okay, no problem. This is one more model. For what value of n? For what value of n? For what value of n? Nth term is nth term of 63, 65, 67, so on, and 3, 10, 17, so on. Okay, first of all, read the problem. For what value of n? Nth term of, this is first progression, 63, 65, 67, this is one progression, this is the other progression. That means 3, 10, 17, this is the other progression. What the question here asked? That find what value of n? That means is it the 10th term or 20th term? Which term of this both of the progressions of AB are equal? That means for a particular term, the value of n in this equation, both of them are equal. No problem. First one, 63, 65, 67. Okay, in first progression, A is equal to A1 is equal to 63. Okay, next one, D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is what is that is 65 minus 63. That is equal to 2. So D value is there. Okay. From this one, A plus 63 and also D value is also 2. This is the first progression. From the second progression, what is the second progression? 3, 10, 17, so on. Okay. A is equal to A1 is equal to first term is 3. Okay. Now, next D is equal to A2 minus A1. D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is equal to A2 minus what is A1? 3. That is B is equal to 7. Okay. In the first progression, the first term is 63. Okay, A is equal to or A1 is equal to 63, and the common difference is 2. In the second series, in the second progression, A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 7. What we have to find? We have to find which number of the term both of the progressions are equal. Okay. Right. In the first progression, I am writing nth term or an of first of all, what is it? 63, 65, 67, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, that is equal to A. We already discussed what is A. A is equal to A1 is equal to 63. Plus, we don't know value of n minus 1 into D. It's already fine. What is D value? D value is 2. That is equal to 63 plus 2n minus 2, which is also equal to, okay, 2n minus 2, which is also equal to 2n plus 61. Say this is equation number 1. 2n plus 61. Okay, from the first one. From the second one, what is the second coefficient 3, 10, 17 is the in 3, 10, 17, so on. A is equal to A1 is equal to 3. The first term. A1 A is equal to A1 is equal to 3. Next B is equal to A2 minus A1. That is 10 minus 3. That is equal to 7. That is equal to 7. Okay, find this. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into B. Okay, we have A value as 3 and B value as 7. So AN is equal to A. What is the A? The first term. What is the first term in this one? 3 plus N minus 1 into B. What is B here? 7. That implies, okay, 7 into N, 7N minus 7 plus 3 minus 4. So 7N minus 4. Okay, 7N minus 7N minus 7 plus 3. So minus 4. But the condition given, both of the terms are equal, particular value for a particular value of n. These two terms are equal. This is the second equation. But the condition what we have to apply here is, for the nth term, what we suppose? For the nth term, both of the terms are equal. We suppose. That is 2n plus 61 equal to 7n minus 4. Okay. 2n plus 61 is equal to 7n minus 4. All the students are asked to complete the remaining session. Okay, solve the n value. That particular term, for that particular term, both of the terms of the given two arithmetic progressions are equal. Okay, clear?
Sir, funny sir, time 9:52 అయింది.
Okay.
టైం 9:52 అయింది సార్. ఫనీ సార్, ఏమన్నా 5 minutes లో ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఏమన్నా కంప్లీట్ చేసుకుంటారా? టైము 9:52 అయింది సార్. ఏమన్నా 5 minutes లోపల కంక్లూడ్ చేసుకోగలుగుతారా? ఫనీ సార్, టైం 9:52 అయింది. మీరేమన్నా ఒక 5 minutes లోపల కంక్లూడ్ చేయగలుగుతారా?
ఓకే సార్, చేస్తా.
ఎందుకంటే 10 o'clock కి మళ్ళీ మనకి టీసాట్ క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే సార్, క్లాస్ క్లోజ్ చేస్తాం. Okay, students, like that we can able to find the required term on that one. Now we will discuss one small bit of the concept for the next class, and after that we will do the problems on the next class. What is that one? Sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Okay. Is it possible to find the sum of n terms in a given area or not? The first the thought was got to Gauss. A scientist named Gauss has got how we can able to find. Is it possible to find the sum up to the n terms or not? Okay, well, suppose a plus b, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, so on, a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the general form of AB. No problem. Now what we have to find Sn? That means sum of n terms in this AB. That means by adding all these terms, how much the value that we have to get. So A plus B plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D plus so on up to a plus n minus 1 into d. This you have to find. Okay. So this is indicated the Sn, sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. For then what the principle applied by Gauss? Again, Sn is equal. Simply I am converting the last term into first one and the first term into the last thing. Nothing. A plus n minus 1 into d. What I am doing? Writing the last term from the first term. Like that. Simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 is like that. Suppose I am writing 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 reverse in the reverse manner of nothing. This is in the first format, this is like this one. In the second one, we write like this one. Okay, so that is Sn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d plus a plus n minus 2 into d. 1 is less. Plus a plus n minus 3 into d. So on, and the last term is a. Simply, I revert to the given progression. The last term written in the first one, and the last one written in the second, like that. The first term will be written in the last one. So I adding by adding 2. 2 is equal. Plus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. Here also in this one plus a plus n minus 2 into d. Like a plus n into d plus a. By adding all these two, what we got is like this one. How many terms is that? These are all terms are n terms. These are all n terms. We must discuss that is n term. So these are all terms that the number of terms are n. So 2Sn is equal to, okay, how many times? N times a plus a. 2a plus n minus 1 into b. Okay, 2a plus n minus 1 into b. So Sn is equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. This is the principle to find the sum of n terms in given AT. On this concept, we are going to discuss the problem. The next class, okay, all of the students are requested to practice the different type of models. Okay, and if anything is there, we will discuss in the next class. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, na sir?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Fani sir. See you tomorrow in the same time, 9 o'clock in the DCEB live streaming online classes. So this is Muva Prasad signing off from the YouTube Suryapeta DCEB live channel. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you.